Are you wondering which coding tool is better? Today, we're comparing Claude Code and VS Code Agent Mode. Both tools help you write and manage code, but they have different features and strengths. Let's dive into what each one offers. Claude Code is a powerful coding assistant. It uses AI to help you write code faster. You can ask it questions and it provides suggestions. It's great for beginners and experienced coders alike. The interface is user friendly, making it easy to navigate. On the other hand, VS Code Agent Mode is an extension of Visual Studio Code. It enhances your coding experience with smart features. It offers advanced debugging and integrates with many plugins. This makes it a favorite among developers who need more customization. Now, let's look at the key differences. Cloud Code focuses on AI driven suggestions, while VS Code Agent Mode offers more control and customization. If you want quick help while coding, Claude Code is a good choice. If you prefer a tailored coding environment, then VS Code Agent Mode is the way to go. When it comes to features, Claude Code excels in real-time assistance. It helps you solve problems as you code. VS Code Agent Mode shines with its extensive library of extensions and tools. You can really make it your own. In terms of pricing, Cloud Code usually offers a subscription model, while VS Code Agent Mode is free to use with optional paid features. So, which one should you choose? If you are new to coding or want quick help, go for Cloud Code. If you are an experienced developer looking for flexibility, VS Code Agent Mode is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights.